Swipe to type, or glide typing, is usually enabled by default on your Android phone, and it's pretty cool because it allows you to sort of swipe your finger across letters on your keyboard, and your phone will understand what word you're trying to type. There's also a couple of hidden gestures related to this, and I'll show you those in a minute. If you want to check your settings or need to turn this on, you can tap the little gear icon to go to your keyboard settings, and then look for the option that says Glide Typing. Make sure glide typing is on, and there's some other optional features you can enable as well. Once glide typing is enabled, I can just place my finger on the first letter and smoothly slide to the next letters without lifting my finger until the word is finished. Lifting your finger is what tells Android to insert a space and start a new word, so keep your finger on the display until each word is done. If you're typing a word that has two identical back-to-back letters, like apple, you don't need to pause or tap the letter twice. Android understands what you're trying to type, so you'll swipe that letter once and that's all. Another swipe-based gesture you can use is deleting words. You don't need to keep tapping the backspace button to delete words, but instead, you can sort of touch and swipe the backspace button, and it'll quickly erase entire words. Another cool swipe-based way to edit text is in the spacebar. If you tap and hold the spacebar, you can drag your finger left and right to move the text cursor to a specific spot. Way easier than trying to tap a part of your text in case you need to go edit something in the middle of a long paragraph. And that's basically it. Go give it a try, let me know how it goes, and click that like button below if this video helped you. Thanks all, until next time.